Okay, welcome once again. Okay, okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you other ways to market your affiliate link. So just click on marketing and over the marketing, sorry, and go to banners. So we have already created different kind of banners for you that you can give to your friend. You can give your friends that they have a blog. Just give them the code to put on their website as advert. Okay, so these are different products that you can market. These are different products done for you that you want to market. So for example, let's say you want to market let me look for let me just pick anyone at random. Let's say you want to market icon skill level product. So you can use this referral link. This is a referral link to market this or product in this category. Now the question is, what is the difference between this and the first your main referral link? The difference is with that first referral link, you can market all products, but with this you can use it to market specific products so that the customer will not start looking for what they want to buy. So if you know a customer wants to buy this product, just copy this code and give it to them. So watch what happened. Your referral code is still part of it anyways. You can see the ref for 1 7, sorry. So let's wait for it. Let me go back. So also, if you want to give it to your friend, any of your friend that has a blog, you can, this is what you copy. Just copy this code and give to them to put in their blog. I'll do one for you as an example. Okay, let me go back to one I just copied and paste. So it takes them to this category for them to buy any product. So how do you put it on your friend's site, or if you have a website you want to put it as advert? This is the part of the code you will copy, the source code. So I just used the code on a website and look at what it shows. This is what people will see as advert. You can just put something down, but people click here to buy something like that, so that when they click, watch this. Can you see your referral code showing here? You can see this. So this is another way you can use your referral code. Instead that you use this to sell individual product, you can just use this link without image, or copy this and put on your friend's blog, or you use the format style, which is your own referral link to sell all products. Okay, I want to believe this is very easy for anyone.